I want to show you how I got this beautiful buys on gold this Friday. This was the last trade of the week, and it was on gold, and I bagged a beautiful 1:4 raised to world ratio. Let me break down how you can trade a small account or how you can flip a small account. First thing first, we remove everything and go to the higher time frame. Okay, to do our top down analysis now. And if you see the market now respecting this sort of a resistance zone, so you can identify this as a higher time frame point of interest. Now from that there, now we go to the lower time frame, the 4 hours time frame, like this. So of course we all know this, now the market had broken this level here and the retest came back inside, so that was a fake out. So what happened from here, I saw a change of a character on this level right here. Okay, so when I saw this change of a character, now I went to the lower time frame, okay, to the 1 hour time frame to understand it better, and I saw now the market giving me a proper change of a character on this level right here. So this is the zone. I saw a church. Okay, yes, I saw a church right there. So I knew the market will come down to the low that caused a break of a high. Okay, so I'm going to remove this slightly. So this is the low that gave us a change of a character. So I was expecting the market to do what? To come down here. And there's something we need to understand about demand and supply now. Look at this now. When we have a bullish market structure, on the lower time frame, we want on our entry time frame to also have a bullish market structure. We want the higher time frame and the lower time frame to align now. Look at this now. So I went to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, now, see this one now. So when I went to the 15 minutes time frame now, this is my zone here. I can try and refine it like that. So what happened when I woke up, I had seen that the market had already given me a change of a character to the upside. So let me refine this a little. So I had seen the market had given me a change of a character, which is this zone right there. Okay, so the lower time frame and the higher time frame are already aligning. This now became my break of a structure. Okay, so we have a BOS now. Okay, but when I saw this market here, it was around 4 a.m. sharp Evo, so I couldn't take this trade now. So when I saw this around 4 a.m., so there's no way I could have entered this market here. So I introduced something called a current resistance here. So I knew this was the current resistance. The market was respecting this level again, this level also, and this level here. And the market had broken and retested the zone. Okay, had broken and retested this particular zone right there. And this is how I got that beautiful buy. Okay, this is how I got that beautiful buy, long position. You enter here, you always target a 1:4. Stop loss should always be below the candles that took out that low, like that. And this is how I got that beautiful buys on gold this Friday. Follow Huno Road.